Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make Haitian épis, a truly essential flavor base for countless Haitian dishes. This vibrant green seasoning is packed with fresh herbs, aromatic vegetables, and a blend of spices that create an incredibly rich and complex flavor profile. You'll typically find ingredients like fresh parsley, several cloves of garlic, colorful bell peppers, and crisp scallions. A little bit of vinegar or fresh lime juice is also added, which not only brightens the taste, but also helps keep your épis fresh for longer. Making Haitian épis is surprisingly simple and quick. First, you'll want to roughly chop all your fresh ingredients to prepare them for blending. Then, transfer these chopped herbs and vegetables into a food processor or a sturdy blender. As you begin to blend, slowly pour in about 1/4 cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of an acidic liquid, such as apple cider vinegar or lime juice. Continue blending until you achieve a thick, smooth, pesto-like consistency, ensuring no large chunks remain. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade épis for an extended period. Once blended, transfer your fresh épis into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will typically remain fresh and flavorful for about 1 to 2 weeks. For even longer preservation, you can freeze portions in ice cube trays. These frozen cubes can last for up to 3 months. Remember to always use a clean, dry spoon when scooping out your épis to help maintain its freshness and prevent spoilage. Haitian épis is incredibly versatile and will truly elevate your cooking. It's commonly used as a foundational marinade for meats like chicken, pork, and seafood, infusing them with deep flavor. You can also stir a spoonful or two into soups, stews, and rice dishes to add a burst of authentic taste. Try using it as a sauté base for your vegetables or even as a vibrant condiment. Feel free to adjust the spice level by adding more or fewer hot peppers to suit your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.